Incremental greetings. This is Incremental, also known as William Palace. Today I want to show you something simple about the UI, which are the layouts. So basically, you may notice that I'm using on all videos this layout. So I have the knowledge tree on my left side. So let's go back to the warrior. That's built in. So now the question is, let's say I want to replace ancestors for the knowledge tree. You may have this goal, especially if you're new to Supermemo. So first is I just close this window. I want to summon the knowledge tree, so I can do it with Alt-C and as well with clicking here the contents. What happens is that I already have some default templates, so the layout gets automatically updated. So I will just do it manually. So now I have the knowledge tree more or less what the ancestor was. So now I want to save this layout. So save as default or Shift Control F5. First, you want to create a new name for it. I have read just the other day on Master How to Learn. You really want to use different names because it's very prone to bugs. So let's say I usually use GPS, which are my initials. I will put 10. So I will just increasing that number, 12, 11, 12, and whatever. So now I can do my reps, and I keep this layout. So you notice here, now this check mark, it's on the 8th, number 8, GPS 10. So now let's say that I make something that is messing around the layout. One example is by opening the browser. I do whatever I want, I close it down, and what happened? Look, this layout is the warrior. It's not the one we just did. Even though here the checkmark says number 8, GPS 10, it's not. If I click here, now I get my own. It was the warrior. So let's do this once again. I close the browser. And now really it is the one I wanted to. I'm not sure if the first time fails because I changed the default because I already have it. Another one because I put a different name. I'm not sure what's the reason. So most likely you will have to do it twice as I just done it. So now I go to another if I go to knowledge tree, for instance, now here, and I move the layout, close again, I'm still keeping this template. And also, that's just an extra. You can make some of them. So you can make one layout for your items, your daily incremental reading. You can make one layout for incremental writing if you are using the same collection. So you get more space for writing and so on.